Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Chevrolet Volt. First, locate the charging port, which is conveniently positioned on the driver's side front fender. Before connecting any charging equipment, always ensure your Volt is completely turned off. This simple step helps ensure safety and proper operation. We'll cover both common charging levels, making it easy to power up your vehicle efficiently. Level 1 charging is incredibly straightforward, utilizing a standard 120-volt household outlet. You simply plug your Volt into any compatible wall socket using the provided charging cord. While it's the slowest option, a full charge typically takes between 10 and 16 hours. This makes it perfect for overnight charging, ensuring your Volt is ready for your morning commute without needing special equipment. For significantly faster charging, Level 2 is your go-to option. This method uses a 240-volt dedicated circuit, similar to what large appliances use. With Level 2, your Volt can achieve a full charge in approximately 4 to 4.5 hours. While it requires a specialized charging station installation, the reduced charging time offers immense convenience for daily use and quicker turnarounds. To ensure the longevity and efficiency of your Volt's battery, always use the charging equipment specifically provided or approved by Chevrolet. Regular charging is key to maintaining optimal battery health, so don't wait until it's completely depleted. Additionally, many utility companies offer lower electricity rates during off-peak hours. Setting a charging schedule can help you save money and make the most of your electric vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.